Okay, we are back at the Moseley renovation project. So the first coating is just coming on. As you can see around here, now it's starting to look like a proper house. So this is sort of the exciting stage because everybody can see what's going on, or can visualize the final product. Anyway, so first coating is on. We need to get this done before the flooring comes down. This is the new cement flooring along here as well. Kitchen. So Imran and his team has already attended. New sockets have been fitted throughout. Plenty more sockets actually along here. So we fit the kitchen in, washing machine, dishwasher, fridge freezers, electric hob, all that sort of stuff. And we had to cut through the ceiling to access some of the pipes and wiring. Now this is the downstairs bathroom. So there's two bathrooms in this property. Really insulated now. They had a lot of damp issues, so that's how thick it is. And that's the gap for the circulation along here. So obviously this will be cut down. That will be with the extractor fan. As you can see, we'd probably have to replace that boiler at some point. Imran will come back and then fit the radiators as well as a pipe work, and then I'll get Sturgeon Carpets to come and provide a quote as well. Okay, so second bathroom. Well, this is the shower room. So the tiling's been done. It's actually quite nice, and you do get what you paid for. Okay, so this space, because we've had to insulate this wall, we lost a few inches. And as a result, it's already quite a narrow space. We've had to, a standard size sink will be basically too large. We've had to get a slight smaller one, and even then, you know, it's already a bit too big. But you have to make the most of what you've got. Okay. This is the first bedroom. There you go. So good lighting. Nice room. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let and manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. And this is a biter that we're just rebuilding for our client. Okay, so chimney breast, there's one there, and that's been repaired now and put back. And there's one here. Now, when it rains, water is coming through, so we had to send a roofer out to cap the chimneys. So that's another thing we have to look at. Martin's going to take that off and then redecorate. This is the sink for the master bathroom. So previously, one of these stairs was broken, so we've had to cut through that. You see the repairs there to repair this, and then it's replastered. So that's all sorted now. And then the final bedroom. So this is the loft room. Really nice room. I like the exposed wall because it adds a bit of an interesting design point to this room. So this is now properly insulated, like really insulated. That's the depth of the insulation. We've kept the exposed beams and to give it a bit of character, and it's still a really good size room. Yeah. Oh, that needs looking at as well. Okay, so we're nearly there. Next step is check the chimney rests, get a roofer out, check all the electric sockets, because apparently some might not be working. Find out when we can get the carpet fitters in to give a quote, and then also ask Salim to come back to fit the radiators, and I think a new boiler as well. All right, see you.